Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. So,
Mario,
yes?
you want some okra?
Uh, mm, no, not yet.
Alright, cool.
I'll let you know if I need it, because I don't know if I have the space.
Okay.
Alright. Yes, so I'm basically at one of my backyard gardener friend, right? And this is basically her nursery, right, that she starts her seedlings. So I basically come here to get uh, some seedlings, some varieties that I don't have, right? So of course she does our gardening, right? And as I said, she prepare her own plants. So let us see what I got from her. And the idea is, because I have so many plants also, I'm planning to plant what I can plant and then bring the rest to her. So it's basically like an exchange, like a little barter system where we basically exchange uh, do the exchange with plants, right? So let us look at what I got from her today. Okay, so this is basically her little nursery. As you can see, she has her seedlings on stocks, right? And yeah, she has a variety of seedlings. She has um, Pakchoi, spinach, right? Lettuce here, uh, bok choy or pak choy again, carrot, broccoli, um, yeah, callaloo over here, eggplant, sweet pepper, tomato down there, right, and so on. So what did I get from her today? So let us start here. I get some callaloo, because as you know, I said some callaloo, but those are not looking so well, right? And to tell you the truth, I did not expect much from those seeds. But what I did was I basically left the callaloo plant to grow, and that callaloo plant that I left, that would have been a callaloo plant um that sprouted from seeds that came from another callaloo plant, and that callaloo plant came from seeds that had sprouted from another callaloo plant. So as you can see, the seeds that I set was about going into about 5 or 6 generations, and you know, the further you go into generations, the higher the heterozygosity. So basically, the higher the inconsistency. So you know, you won't get that vibrant production as what you'd have gotten from like an F1, you know, like when you just bought the seeds, right? So I know I was running some risk there, and as I saw the seeds haven't germinated properly. They look weak, they don't look well. So but I'll talk about reusing seeds in another video, and basically talk to you about the technicalities behind it, and why is it that it is not really advisable to keep on reusing seeds, right? So as I said, I have callaloo here, I have eggplant. This is basically eggplant right here, right? And then go around the back here, I have some pak choy right here, right? And then I have celery, right? Because also the celery seeds that I set, they haven't germinated as yet. So I'm planning to just use that same tray with the same soil and put some rosemary seed in, right? I'm going to plant some rosemary seeds, right? Rosemary has a nice aroma, nice smell. It's good for cooking. We like to use it to cook, and it's also good for the garden, right? In terms of um, presenting that high smell, that odor that basically repels certain insects. So in speaking about repelling insects, let us now talk about this plant here. So I got also marigold. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plants, right? And marigold act as a natural insect repellent, so it's good to have it you know, strategically placed in your garden, I don't know how strategic I'm going to place mine because, as you know, my garden is very small. But nevertheless, we'll try something. So these are the complement of plants, seedlings that I have. Oh, and I tried. I got 3 lettuce. I got 3 lettuce. I'm going to try these. I didn't make preparations for these, but I'm going to try them, right, to see how they'll grow. Yeah, so that is it. That is basically what I have, what I got, and these are basically ready to be planted. So we are going to plant them um, as soon as possible, right? But we are going to choose the evening time to plant. We are not going to plant in the morning. We are going to plant in the evening because even though they are looking okay and stuff, we want to basically put them in their new environment in a time when they are going to go straight into the night and they are going to have a lot of hours before sun catches them again, so they can at least get some time to, you know, do some initial adaptation, right? Instead of planting them in the morning and then the sun comes up immediately after and beating down on them. Even though they are hard enough, I love to plant seedlings in the evening time, right? Yeah. So as I said, this is what we have. Again, if you have any questions, any comments, please put them in the comments here. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. And yeah, we'll talk again soon.